So when you get to the end of the ribbon, you need to change the ribbon direction so that it winds on the opposite direction, and you do that by changing that lever. So just like that, and then change that, and it goes back the other way. So you can use the ribbon as many times as you want until it runs out of ink.
Rolling.
This is just a black ribbon, but if you have a split ribbon, then you can change the colour of the colour it types in by changing this lever. So that would be red, and that would be black. And then if you wanted it to type in no colour at all and just practice typing, then you could just push the lever down and move it to this one, and it doesn't let the ribbon go off. If you put the paper in and you find that it's not quite lined up properly, you can just pull this lever on the right, and then that loosens the paper for you, so you can match it up properly. And then you just push that back. These two latches set the margins for the paper, so you can move it by pressing that down and moving it from side to side. But you shouldn't need to move it too often. So if you change line, then when you push this lever to change the line and move it across, it will stop at the margin. But if you want to override that, then you just press the key that says margin release here, and you'll be able to override it. And it'll let you go further. The other one on the other side is rings when you go past it. So it tells you when you're on your last word to start a new line.